Hey all, hope you are good. Today I'm going to deploy a machine learning model using Streamlit and Docker. In the previous video, I have shown how to deploy an app, machine learning model using Flask and Docker. So video is in continuation to it, but this time I will deploy using Streamlit. So first, let me show you that the machine learning model that I have deployed on Flask. Okay. So my Flask server is running. I will just copy the link. Okay. I will just paste the URL, press enter. As you can see here, my app has a simple UI which does not look appealing according to me. Okay. Let's give the input. Okay. He is a private employee. He is currently in bachelor's. He is not married. Occupation, let's say, is just some private work. Okay. Relationship, not in family. Let it be. Gender, male. Capital, he has, let's say, this. Okay. Loss, say, number of hours he works. For example, he works 5 hours a day and for 5 days. He's from, let's say, Japan. Okay. So my code is running in backend and it will classify whether income of the individual is less than 50k or not. So according to this, income of the individual is less than 50k. Now let's run the same app, but this time using Streamlit. So what I will do, Streamlit run my GUI salary.py. Inside it, I have written my code. So you will see um, how the UI improves a lot using simple Streamlit library. It's a basically a very simple library. I will show it to you, and very easy to use, very flexible to use. Okay, okay, I will full screen it. Okay, from this to this. Okay, see how your UI has been improved significantly. These are the checkbox. It will show you the dataset. Okay, okay, I will show you the code even. This is the pre-processing code. That what it will do. It will read the data, label encode it. Okay, then it will split the data into train test split, and then it will train and predict and will store the weights of the model. Okay, so let's see, uh, let's predict our value. Let's individual age is 49. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, it will not take time because I'm running my code inside a virtual machine, Red Hat virtual machine, and it has only 2 GB of RAM, so it is running slow, else it will work very fine. Okay, he is a master's. Um, let's say he is divorced. Occupation, let's say in sales. Relationship, no relation. Don't want want to comment on the race, let it be female only. Let's say give a capital between, okay, capital loss, let it be, I don't know, I'm just giving a random value here, and the model decide. She might be a very alcoholic woman and works for 8 hours a day for 5 days a week. So number of hours is 40. She might be from Germany. Let it be. And let's predict. It's still running. Okay, so it has been predicted that its income, individual lady's income is greater than 50k. So you can see that it provides a better UI. It provides a slider. Okay, it provides options to select among it. Okay, here it will provide an input box where you can input the values, and then just click on this button. It will predict the result. Okay, I will show you the code. It's a very simple code. I will show it to you. Um, okay, let me stop this server. Even stop this. After that, after showing the code, I will show you how to dockerize my this Streamlit application inside with the help of a Docker file. So let me show you the code. Vim GUI server.py. Okay. So what I've done, I've imported several libraries. Okay, I have set the title. Okay, I have given the text. Checkbox is used to show. If I clicked on the checkbox, it will show you the dataset. Else not. This is the code portion that I've shown to you. Okay, I've set the header. I've read the files. Okay, through slider, you can give the slider. You can from the dataset I've given the min age, minimum value, the maximum value, and what's the mean value. Okay, I have given the option of select box using st.select box. You just need to provide the label and the options among it. Okay, similarly for there is an input box. Okay, so you just need to provide the label, and it will the value you entered will be stored in form of string form in the variable, and just you need to call the prediction function. Okay, and it will return the result. So I will close it. Now what I will do, I will write the Docker file. uh, okay, let's remove my Docker file. I will write from fresh. Okay, okay, I will use the base image. I will use the Python 3.8, yeah, 3.7 base image. I will first create a directory where all my code will be copied. I will provide the same uh, folder structure that is present in my local machine. Copy, copy all my files which are present inside this GUI salary. Okay, let's set the work dir GUI underscore salary. I need to expose the port. Okay, so Streamlit runs on 8501 port. So I'm exposing that. I need to run, I need to install several libraries such as Streamlit, Pandas, and scikit-learn library. So I will install it. Install -r.txt. I've already created a requirements.txt file, and last command is stream. Just click on wq. Now again I have to build my Docker file. Mm, okay, it will install uh, again all the packages due to my small mistake. I will be back after all my libraries are installed. So build of my image is getting completed. As you can see, it is installing lots of libraries. So it took this much of time. Uh, yeah, it's a heavy library, which is it has lots of dependencies. So and it is showing that one warning that the version that you are using is old pip version, so you can upgrade it using this command. So what you need to do in that Docker file, just write run space and then pip install upgrade pip. Okay, so the build is complete. Now it's time to run our image. Docker run -p 8501 :8501 and our name of our image. Let's copy this, paste this, and run enter. So let's check whether our container has started successfully or not. Okay, seems our Streamlit app has started. Let's go to the required URL. Let's press enter. So bravo. Okay, our Streamlit app is running. Okay, let's give the required values. Okay, and let all the required values will be there, and let's click on predict the salary category. Okay, it has predicted that individual income is greater than 50k. So in order to deploy this Docker app to the Kubernetes cluster, what you need to just to push the Docker image to the Docker hub. Okay, and then you can follow all the steps that I've shown in my previous videos, that you need to first create a deployment using command kubectl create deployment, deployment name, and then hyphen image, the name of the image that you have pushed to Docker hub. Then you need to expose the deployment using node port and provide the port as 8501, the one that is used by Streamlit application, and then just go to the cluster IP with port number of 8501. So your app will be deployed on the Kubernetes cluster. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.